Hi, I'm Gary Rockman with Rockman Design Build, and today we're talking about basement wall assemblies. We're currently in a basement remodel that is underway right now. I'd like to show you how we like to do our basements. Our first step in this case was to take the concrete block walls, bleach them, scrub them down, as well as the concrete floors to make certain that there's no mold that we're hiding before we add anything on. Then we glue our insulation board directly to the wall. In this case, we're using a 2-inch rigid foam, which is an expanded polystyrene. It has an R10 value in 2 inches, which is about as dense as you can go. To keep it working as a vapor barrier, which is important on a basement wall, all the seams, both the vertical as well as the horizontal seams, need to have a good taping. In this case, we use a Tyvek tape. We run our insulation board up to the floor structure above, and we run it down to the floor. In front of the insulation, we then use a 2x4 wall system, which allows us to run electrical and mechanical much easier. Some people use metal studs. We like to use wood studs. It gives our homeowners more flexibility. With the insulation on the outside, we're certain we're not going to have any mold or any water coming in. Another way to finish out basement walls when space is more limited is shown here. We have 1.5 inch rigid insulation that actually has grooves in it, and we filled that in with 1x3 wood framing members, secured those to the block with Tapcon screws. Then the drywall can be put right over it. It's a finished assembly of 2 inches with insulation continuous, as opposed to our other system that's a full 6 inches thick. It's important to carry the insulation and vapor barrier from the basement floor all the way to the floor above. At the rim joist area, we use a spray foam insulation to do that. It provides a high R value as well as a great way of blocking all air infiltration around that area. In this case, we used a closed cell polyurethane spray foam. We think it's the best product for this application. To finish out our wall assembly, we'll be attaching 1/2 inch drywall to the ceiling as well as 1/2 inch drywall to the walls. It'll be painted. We'll have a nice, warm, dry basement for our clients to enjoy. This is Gary Rockman with Rockman Design Build. Thank you for watching.